Welcome to the Jo Malone London Christmas special. I am so happy to partner with Jo Malone London on this spectacular event. With the holidays around the corner, we thought it would be a festive idea to scent pair the food and drink with the iconic Jo Malone London fragrances. In the same way that you're able to pair Jo Malone London colognes, the menu has been inspired by the perfumes and the seasons of scent. Oh, and we also have some prizes for our guests later on. What is up, beautiful people? Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Tulana Hadebe, but better known as Toolz. Thank you so much for tuning into this YouTube video. We're going to be showing you everything around the Jo Malone London Christmas special hosted by me. So come on in, let's have a festive time because it's all razzle dazzle. Now, our guests are going to have so much fun because it's all about razzle dazzle and a chance to win in the Jo Malone London Christmas special. You can either win a prize or spin again. Christmas is not complete without a Jo Malone London wreath.
I am packing my bags, I am leaving. Think I'm going to Paris or Rome. I gotta get out of this god-awful place that I used to call my home. Maybe I'm going to London, gotta find someplace new. I'll move to a dump in a faraway slum to help me forget about you. I might be going to sunny California. I'll go surfing the waves till I drown. I really don't care, I will go anywhere. I just gotta get out of this town. 'Cause I see you in every corner, all the buildings and streets where your name. Go on, tell me I'm free to do as I please, but without you, it's all the same. 'Tis a season to be lonely, and this Christmas sure feels blue. I'll go out of my way to get out of this place where everything reminds me of you. Memories of you, they taunt me, but they're all I have left since you've gone. The longer I stay, there's no getting away. Gotta find someplace new to be alone. You'll be here with your friends and your family, all the loved ones that used to be mine. I'll be out of your way and out of your life, and I am going out of my mind. 'Tis the season to be lonely, and this Christmas is as sad as can be. I'd go out of my way to get out of this place, to forget you're not here with me. But wherever I go, I'll be thinking of you. 'Tis a season for feeling blue.
Happy holidays, everybody. We're gonna have a great time. Let me get my notes. You guys look beautiful. So you guys took the best dressed memo very, very well. So I just want to say a few thank yous before we begin. One of them is thank you so much to Uber South Africa for helping you guys get here and going home safely. To Johnny Walker for the amazing cocktails. To the content team of Shooters Club and Majosi, thank you so much. And then to Chef Katlego and his team, you guys are going to make, I'm so excited for the scented egg dinner. I think it's going to be amazing. And obviously to Stormcloud, who did such an incredible job in creating this space and transforming what was an empty shell into this incredible space. So thank you so much to Stormcloud. And most of all, thank you so much to the Jo Malone team for just celebrating Christmas with us and also having just hosting us today. So thank you so much. Please make sure you use the hashtags for the night. Jo Malone London. Don't forget the London. Jo Malone London Christmas special. And then also it's going to be hashtag Jo Malone. What is it there?
Season of Scent.
Season of Scent and hashtag Jo Malone London. So they're all there on cards there. Over to you, Erin.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for joining us this evening. It's not often that we do anything on a Saturday night because everybody's so busy, especially this time of year. But thank you so much for being here. On behalf of Janae and I, we really are so thankful that everybody loves and adores Jo Malone London like we do. And I was so thankful that Toolz reached out to us and wanted to collaborate. So this is our first ever and maybe becoming an annual, which will be wonderful. Christmas dinner hosted by an influencer, which is amazing. And a little bit on the scent of the season. So at Jo Malone London, every year we launch a scent of the season. It's a limited edition. And you can obviously only buy it at that time of the year. But this year it's Fir Artemisia. And the bottle is over there on that side. And Father Christmas Tools will be gifting everybody a little Fir Artemisia later. So that's very exciting. Merry Christmas.
Thank God we dressed up.
But to just say a little bit about the scent, so it's described as comfort and joy. Wrapped in the spirit of the season, the woodiness of the fir and the aromat of Artemisia is contrasted with the supple leather.
Yes. Sounds amazing.
Then, very excitingly, there's a chance for everybody to spin the holiday wheel. And there's some lucky prizes if you do get win, which hopefully is So, evening.
How many spins do you get?
I wanted to know which one. Let's spin again.
Okay. So baseball.
So then, you're going to be quizzed on. You're going to have questions of what Erin has said today. So, and Jo Malone London in general. So
yeah, this is just a very relaxed, intimate occasion. And as Toolz mentioned, everybody was handpicked because we really did want everybody we love and adore to be here this evening. So enjoy yourselves, relax. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. A huge thank you to the chefs and obviously to the barman on behalf of us as well. So thank you.
thank you. How you guys doing tonight?
Good, how are you?
Good. Me and the guys have been slaving away in the kitchen, so I hope you guys enjoyed. We're very happy to be partnering up with Jo Malone.
So with the fragrance, what we've done in our first course, which is a fried eggplant dish, we've basically taken some hazelnuts and mixed it up with a little bit of panko crumbs, a little bit of salsa verde, just to make the dish a little bit cheeky, a lemon hummus, and some pickled blueberries, and a little bit of pepperiness with some rocket on top.
Famous.
Yeah. I really like that. Perfect. Let's go.
I see the candles come as the year gone by. All thrive for perfection now, and consumption so high. I know it's cold outside, but give me your hand so I can show you what love is. Dear Christmas, I want you so, but I don't need the presents. Just wishing for snow and some company by news that I hold close. So Christmas,
so we're quite excited. But before I say much about that, I want to just say that I'm going to bring everything into one. We've got 4 cocktails behind the bar, but they were all fall under 3 categories, which is the sweet, sour, and the bitter. So when you order, you need to know what your preference is so that the report it will be different from the food, because now it comes in its categories. For you guys in just free, just for. So under the sweet, we've got an old fashioned. No, old fashioned is basically, yes, your whiskey with with 2 dashes of your chocolate bitters and then sugar syrup, just to prepare sweet. So it's under the sweet category, but it's more straightforward. And then you will have under the bitter, we have a simple cocktail, which is a whiskey. That's tonic. So it's just your 50 ml whiskey chopped up with tonic water. So if you love those bitter nuts, we'll get that from that one. And then lastly, we've got the sour category, which has got 2 cocktails, which is the sours. So we've got the classic whiskey sours, sweet and sour with your whiskey. But this time we've twisted it a bit with a touch of almond syrup, not vanilla syrup. And then lastly, we've got the new sours, still the normal classic one, but it's got a layering of your red wine. Okay. So basically, you'll find that this beautiful product that she spoke about it has got those beautiful woody notes, which is what basically we don't need mocha later to have because of the maturation in oak barrels. So I hope you enjoy. Also enjoy the cocktails, which this is and that woodiness will resonate in your family. Have a good evening. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
All right. Okay, so I was going to get names out of the hat, so to, just for dramatic effect, but we'll just do it around the table. So we'll start this way. So, Zod, you are the first one out. Hey.
Darling, look at you.
So firstly, I hope you enjoy the first course. So the second course is paired with a perfume called English Pear. And this dish, we created it to pay homage to Gogo's carrot and pineapple salad. So it's called the African carrot that we slow roast with the East African spice called ras el hanout, and with a lot of butter. And then we make very nice carrot puree with it, some pickled carrots, some fermented apples, a little bit of amasi cream, and to finish it off, some pickled pineapple as well. And then just to pair with the fragrance, we've done a smoked little caramel crumble on top. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've never cared much for winter. Ice and snow leaves me totally cold. But something's up each year in December. I love it like a miner loves gold. It's never about the presents, the turkey or the Christmas tree. It's all about that glow in my baby's eyes that lights a fire inside of me. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Just listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. Oh, the deeds that I do to please her, ain't a thing that I wouldn't do. I give my babe whatever she wants. I catch a reindeer if she wants me to. My baby's got a thing for Santa. She blushes and she giggles whenever he's near. I grow myself a beard in time for Christmas. I keep it throughout the year. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. About Christmas, I must admit it's starting to grow on me too. Baby's crazy about Christmas. She's crazy about Christmas. She's crazy this Christmas.
Okay guys, so for your next course, this course is called Inkomo Gaba. It's paying homage again to our forefathers, and in front of you, you've got 18-hour smoked brisket that comes with a nice truffle and onion sauce, an onion sorbet, which is just basically a nice white onion puree, slow cooked for about 4 to 5 hours. And then for some earthiness on the dish, you've got a mojo, which is like a spinach emulsion. Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Tonight has been nothing short of amazing. I've had the most amazing time with the most amazing guests, the most amazing food, and the most amazing drinks. Thank you so much for tuning in to Yes, It's Me, Toolz. I will see you in the next one. Until then, good night, God bless, goodbye, happy holidays!